How to create Twitter spaces on Twitter. Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video. In today's video I'm going to show you that how you can create your own space on Twitter. So guys, everybody know that a Twitter space is a place where you can just talk to the people which you follow, or the people that are following you. So you can create a space and you can join a space of somebody else, and you can talk there, and you can listen to the people on any topics that they have chosen for that particular space. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, open your Twitter application, and once you open your Twitter application, you can see the plus sign at the bottom. So you need to tap on the plus sign. So once you tap on the plus sign, here is you can see there are options like GIF, photos, tweet, and the other one is spaces. So you need to tap on spaces. So once you tap on spaces, so here is like create your own space. So guys, I name it as a test because it is only for tutorial. So it depends on your topic, that what idea that you have in your mind that you want to name your space. So the other thing is that you select up to 3 topics. So I already selected, so I will choose one, technology, the other one is entertainment. You can go through the list and you can actually select any of the 3 topics related to the space that you want to create. So I just randomly select 3 for the tutorial purpose. The next thing is that record space. So guys, if I enable this one, that means that your space will be recorded. So if you want to record your space, you can just enable this one. I will just disable it for the time, and then you need to just tap on start your space. But if you want to schedule your space, and you need to just tap on here, and here they say that get reminded to start your space on time. If you press on yes, and here they will send you a notification, you need to enable the notification as well. So here you can schedule your space as well. So suppose if you want to have it on tomorrow, so I will select this date and then okay, and then you can choose a time as well, by any time that you want to start your space. So I will just choose a random time just to show you, and as you can see, I will just tap on next and it will be scheduled. So this is how you can schedule your one, but I will just start one to show you that how it works. So I will just tap on start your space. So as you can see, it's connecting, and now they say that want to invite people. So the people that I follow, or the people that are following me, if I want to invite some people, I can just select and invite. I will skip it for now. And here, as you can see, it's already started. My mic is off right now. So if you tap on, so it started. So if you tap on that one time, it means that now you're speaking and people can listen to you. I will tap it again to off it right now. So this is how you can on and off your mic. So guys, the next thing is that you can find the 3-dotted menu at the top right corner. So you need to tap on this one, and here you can adjust settings, you can share feedback, you can view the rules, you can view captions as well. The next thing that it is very important is if you want to invite people to your space, you need to tap on the icon here. So once you tap on here, the icon, as you can see, you can actually, you're the host of this space. So you can actually invite 2 people to be co-host of your space. So you can just tap on invite co-host and invite the people that you want. You can select 10 open spots. There are 10 people that you can select as a speakers as well. Then request to speak, here people will raise their hand and they want to speak something, so you will find the request here. You can accept that one, approve or disapprove. It's later. Then the listeners, the people who are listening, you will find the number of people who are listening here. So here is the shortcuts for everything. Above here, as you can see, you can scroll to the left or right and you will find the people here. So this is how you can manage your space. So guys, the next thing is here is the plus, the heart icon. So if I tap on here, so here you can send emojis. Like if I tap on the victory sign, so it will be shown to the other people on my profile on the space that people can see that as well. There is another option, the sharing option. So if I tap on the share, so you can invite via a direct message, you can send direct messages to people, or you can copy the link. And once you copy the link, you can either send it by text message or another social media platform or messaging application where you can send it to multiple people and they can join your space as well. So guys, this is all it takes to create your space. And if you want to end your space, you need to just tap on end, and make sure if you're like the host, you created the space and you want to end the space, so it will be ended for everyone. So the conversation will be ended for everyone. So make sure that nobody is talking, and if everybody is done, then you can just tap on yes and end. And this is how your space will be ended. So as you can see, it was appear here on top and now it is ended. So guys, this is all it takes to create your space on Twitter. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you find the video helpful, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for future notification. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.